Alright, so we're doing a Katsu dinner, specifically chicken Katsu. And I've got everything already. Got the breadcrumbs, which we call panko in Japan. And for a side dish, roasted vegetables. So yeah, Judy's working out in the garage. Girls are just playing upstairs. I'm gonna prepare all this, mise en place. And then I will show you the process of deep frying Katsu. Really simple, especially with something like chicken. I'm gonna show you my secret to make it really crispy, but also really juicy. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is prepare the chicken. I like to pat dry it. It's been sitting out for about an hour. When you use a skinless, boneless, you'll see that it's already kind of separated. I'm gonna separate it from the thick side. This is the fatty, thick side, from the thin side, and that's it. And then I put it on a separate plate like this, the thicker part on this one. And then when I batter these, and I put the panko on them, I deep fry all the similar sizes together while deep frying the other sizes, the smaller sizes, afterwards. And then that way it makes it a more even cooking time. So, all right, so thick side, thin side. This is where the oyster is. There's a part of the chicken thigh that's really delicious. So I personally prefer this side, but this side is gonna be plenty good too. I'm gonna go ahead and salt and pepper this and then get it ready to bread. Just do one side. And then I also use white pepper. I have a separate pepper cracker. For the breading, of course, panko. This is the brand that we like. I bought this at the Wajimaya not too long ago. Egg and flour. So you go flour, egg, panko. Deep frying wise, I'm going to be using a duck fat, which has been heated. It's got a lot of flavor, so I actually don't think it needs very much salt, but yeah, we'll see. You can always add salt later. You can't take it away, so you don't want over salted meat. It's not good. It ruins it.
Mama!
Changing it up. What?
Making random sounds. Look.
Really?
Oh, hey, no.
Okay, really?
I just really doing this.
I'm gonna make some roasted vegetables. Normally in Japan, if you do katsu, you do thinly sliced cabbage, which I just realized we do have, and do a kind of a side salad to balance out the hot savoriness of the deep fried chicken. I want to do roasted vegetables, so I'm doing broccolini with one of the last carrots. I just minced up a whole bunch of garlic and I let it sit in this olive oil for about an hour now. So some of that is going to be imparted onto the vegetables. Then I'm going to roast it in the oven for, I want to say 15, 18 minutes. Sometimes I will broil it at the end, but that's it. A little salt and pepper, it's good to go. I put it on this paper towel just to dry off because you don't want moisture on there. I'm curious what you guys do. Do you guys just put it right on the pan, or do you use foil like me? Let me know in the comments. Super easy. Just pour it on like that. All I'm trying to do is get it nice and coated. Same thing with the carrots. So for the roasted vegetables, obviously I put salt on there, not too much. Black pepper. I just feel like it stands up to the roasting better. I will throw this in the oven at probably 425, 450. And I do that right before we eat. Thank you so much. This girl sets up the table all by herself.
Where are your sisters at, Leah?
Thank you. I'm gonna sit right there. Okay, thank you. All right, so for deep frying, these are the tools I like to use. I always have gloves just to protect my hands, just in case there's splatter, and so I can grab something that's hot. This guy, I don't know what it's called, but I think it's called maybe a spider spoon or something like that. Tongs, and then this basket, which as I'm deep frying, I put it into this basket. Then just makes it so much easier to let the oil drip off over the pot of oil. I'm using the Breville Control Freak, which I can get the temperature to exactly 350 degrees, so the oil temp will be perfect, and this will be where I deep fry. Deep frying the thick pieces first. One secret about deep frying, don't overload your oil. I'm just doing 3 pieces. So one way I know it's cooked is when it starts floating. Really, anything I deep fry, if it starts floating, that's a good signal. Also, I do like to flip these halfway through. I already flipped these once, but just showing you how I do it. And there you go. It's been about 4 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes is what I go for, even though it's probably done right now. I want the outside to be real nice and crispy. Then what I do is I just let it drip. I stand it up on its side so that all the oil drips right back into the pot. Honey, how do these look?
Oh, beautiful. That's great.
There we go.
That's great.
Alright.
Close call, Benji.
So good. Look at it.
Juicy.
Juicy, crispy on the outside.
Daddy, so good.
Yes?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Also, thank mommy. She really helped
Are
me.
these my favorite parts?
She's a great sous
She didn't
chef.
help you. She made it, and you did fried it. Can you show them my face, Daddy?
Your face? Oh, I will. I just want to show
Oh, you want to
how much you guys enjoy katsu. Is it good, Bella?
Oh, you ate.
Is it good?
By the way, Leah's drinking cherry.
It's hot?
By the way, Leah's drinking cherry cider.
Alright, so Mia wanted me to show her artwork.
I'm making whiskers.
She likes making faces with the rice.
And
Right afterwards, okay?
Turn this time. Dinner. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Doesn't know how to
Secret, controlling the temp of your oil, making sure it's hot enough.
That's what it is.
Leah, where are you?
Bella, sit on your bum, girl. Sit on your booty cheeks.
Bella, look at this. Come.
You're done? Daddy. Okay. Bella ate a lot.
-1. Yeah, you can do that.